Hello friends, today we will discuss about the prokaryotic cells. What are the prokaryotic cells? Prokaryotic cells is a simple single cell walled organisms does not have true nucleus or membrane bound organelles. Its DNA floated freely in the cytoplasm in the region called nucleoid. The word prokaryote comes from Greek. So, prokaryote means before the nucleus. Example, E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Archaea, ancient microorganisms. History of the prokaryotes. 1676, first observation. Antony von Leeuwenhoek used his handmade microscope to observe tiny living organisms in the pond water. He called them animalcules. This was the first recorded observation of prokaryotic cells. In 1937, prokaryotes versus eukaryote, Ido Chatton introduced the distinction between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells based on the presence or absence of the membrane-bound nucleus. In 1977, the discovery of Archaea, Carl Hughes discovered that some prokaryotes were fundamentally different from the bacteria. He introduced the three-domain system: bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. This discovery changed the modern biology forever. The structure of the prokaryotic cell. A prokaryotic cell contains cell capsule, outer protective layer, and prevents drying, helps to evade the immune system. Cell wall gives shapes and rigidity, made up of peptidoglycan in bacteria. Plasma membrane controls movements of the substances. Site of energy production. Cytoplasm, jelly-like fluid, contains enzyme and nutrients. Nucleoid region contain a single circular DNA molecule, no nuclear membrane, and plasmid, small circular DNA carried antibiotic resistance genes. Ribosomes, site of protein synthesis. Pili, site of proteins, helps the bacteria attach to the surface, can transfer DNA during the conjugation. Flagella, responsible for the movement. And characteristics are unicellular, very small, no nucleus, no mitochondria, no Golgi apparatus, no endoplasmic reticulum, divide by the binary fission, rapid growth or reproduction. Number 5, the types of prokaryote. Most common, some beneficial, some disease causing. Example, lactobacillus and Salmonella enterica. Archaea, live in the extreme environment, hot springs, salt lakes, deep sea vents, and produce methane. Reproduction. Prokaryotes reproduce by the binary fission. DNA replicates, cell elongates, septum forms, two identical daughter cells are produced. This process can take as little as 20 minutes in some bacteria under ideal conditions. Number 7, importance of prokaryotic cells. Produce oxygen, nitrogen fixation, fermentation, antibiotic production, food production, biotechnology, human gut microbes. Disease caused by prokaryotes: tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid fever, pneumonia. Amazing facts: prokaryotes appeared about 3.5 to 3.8 billion years ago. They were Earth's first life forms. More bacterial cells live in and your body than there are human cells. Some bacteria survives in boiling water, acidic spring, and they reproduce much faster than human cells. Prokaryotic cells may be microscopic, but they laid the foundation of all lives on the earth. Without them, ecosystem, agriculture, medicines, and even our own bodies doesn't function the way they do today. If you enjoyed the microbiology deep live. Don't forget the live comment with the favorite microbiology topic and subscribe for the more amazing science videos. Thank you.